Good afternoon. This is S.N. Pradhan, Director General of the National Disaster Response Force, with an update on the Cyclone Amphan. Cyclone Amphan is a developing situation, and it is most likely, as per the IMD report, to turn into a very severe cyclonic storm by this evening and continue to be so for some time. As far as NDRF is concerned, in Orissa and in West Bengal, a total of 37 teams have been deployed, out of which 17 are in deployment right now, with 3 possible additions in West Bengal, and that will be 20 teams actively deployed and 17 teams on standby. So, to repeat, in West Bengal and Orissa, a total of 20 teams will be actively deployed by the end of this day, with 17 teams on standby. In Orissa, the deployment is in 7 districts and a total of 12 teams are deployed. In West Bengal, the deployment is in 6 districts and a total of 10 teams are deployed. All the teams have either reached the locations or are about to reach. The teams which have started in the morning today will be reaching by evening. All the teams which have been deployed and have reached have started the awareness campaigns. As can be understood, this is a multiple challenge, or at least a dual challenge, because this is a cyclone in the time of COVID. So we are facing a double challenge, so to say, and the awareness drive is accordingly tailored for awareness both on the front of COVID-19 as well as safety from the cyclone. We have started interacting with and coordinating with the local administration, the district administration, the state government agencies for active evacuation from the possible impacted areas. All in all, NDRF is fully geared with all the equipment and all the paraphernalia to face the situation. And we will be updating as we go along. Jai Hind.